Hello everyone, welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel and my name is Pooja. Friends, in today's video, we will learn about used to present situation, that how we will use used to in present, and there are how many uses of used to in present situation. So we will learn all these things in today's video, but make sure watch this video till the end. And if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can easily get the notification of my any upcoming video. Now let's get started the video. Before I start this video, I want to tell you a little bit intro about used to in Hindi. जब भी आप किसी ऐसी चीज या ऐसी वस्तु या ऐसी आदत के बारे में बात करते हैं जो आपको किसी टाइम पसंद नहीं थी, बट आपको मजबूरी में वो काम करना पड़ा और उस काम को करते करते या उस चीज की आदत डालते डालते आप उसके आदी हो चुके हो. सो हियर आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू एवरीथिंग बाय फॉर्मूला विद सम एग्जांपल. We will use used to for आदि होना in present scenarios. For example, if you want to say वह उस काम का आदि है, then what will you say? First, I will give you formula. So the formula is subject plus is MR plus used to plus rest of other things. So this is the first situation. Now we will talk about second situation, but first I will explain you first situation. Okay. So the first is वह उस काम का आदि है, then you will say he is used to that work. So here you can use is MR according to person. If you are talking about singular person, then you all know very well that with singular person you can easily use is. If you are talking about plural person, then you can always use are. Okay, so this is the simple things. Now I'll give you a second example. So the second example is वह उसके नखरों का आदी है, then what will you say? Here you will say he is used to her tantrums. हम उसकी बकवास के आदी है, then what will we say? Here we will say we are used to her nonsense या his nonsense. Okay, if you want to say वह डेली की गर्मी का आदी है, then here you will say he is used to Delhi's heat. Now we will talk about rule number second. So the rule number second is whenever we will talk about any type of sentence that verb are using in that particular sentence. Okay, I'll give you example. Suppose you want to say that वह उस काम को करने का आदी है. In first rule we will see that कि वह उस काम का आदी है, and here we are talking about वह उस काम को करने का आदी है. So करना it means verb. This is kriya. So whenever you will use any type of kriya, any type of verb in that particular sentence, then you will have to use verbs first form with ing. So the sentence will make is he is used to doing that work. Okay, so this is the simple sentence. Now we will talk about second example. वह उसके नखरे सहने का आदी है, then what will you say? Here you will say he is used to tolerating her tantrums. Third example, हम उसकी बकवास सुनने के आदी है, then what will you say? Here you will say we are used to listening her nonsense. So this is the little bit difference in both of the rules, both of this situation. Okay, whenever you will talk any type of kriya, any type of activity, then you can use verbs first form with ing. Now we will talk about present. We will talk about used to negative scenarios in present. Okay, so if you want to say वह उस काम का आदी नहीं है, then what will you say? So the rule is subject plus is MR plus not plus used to plus rest of other things. If you are talking any type of kriya, then you can use the word first form with ing. If you are not talking any type of kriya, any type of verb, then you can directly put object or directly put noun after used to. Now I'll give you example. Okay, वह उस काम का आदी नहीं है, then you will say he is not used to that work. Or the other hand, you can say he is not used to doing that work. So both are right. Second example, वह उसके नखरे सहने का आदी नहीं है, then you will say he is not used to tolerating her tantrums, or you can say he is not used to her tantrums. So both are right. Now we will talk about third example. So the third example is हम उसकी बकवास सुनने के आदी नहीं है, देन वी विल से वी आर नॉट यूज्ड टू लिसनिंग हर नॉनसेंस, और यू कैन से वी आर नॉट यूज्ड टू हर नॉनसेंस। बोथ आर राइट। एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4, वह डेली की गर्मी का आदी नहीं है, देन what will you say? Here you will say he is not used to Delhi's heat, or you can say he is not used to living in Delhi's heat. So both are the right. Now we will talk about used to interrogative scenarios. Okay, suppose you want to say क्या वह इस काम का आदी है, then you will say is he used to that work, and the formula is mr plus subject plus used to plus rest of other things. Okay, you can put anything according to situation, according to sentence. If there is any type of verb are using in that particular sentence, then you can use verbs first form with ing. If there is no verb in sentence, then you can directly put noun or object after used to. Okay, so the example is क्या वह उस काम का आदी है, then you will say is he used to that work, or you can say is he used to doing that work. Both are right. Second example, क्या मैं उसकी बकवास सुनने का आदी हूं, then you will say am I used to hearing, am I used to listening her nonsense, or am I used to her nonsense. So these are some example. Now we will talk about वह डेली की गर्मी में, क्या वह डेली की गर्मी में रहने का आदी है, देन यू विल से is he used to living in Delhi's heat. Okay, now we will talk about used to interrogative and negative situation. Okay, so what happen if both of the situation will come together? So here we will use formula of is mr plus subject plus not plus used to plus rest of other things. So I'll give you example. So the example is क्या वह उस काम का आदी नहीं है, then you will say is he not used to that work, or is he not used to doing that work. क्या हम उसकी बकवास सुनने के आदी नहीं है, then you will say are we not used to listening her nonsense. So these are some simple and interesting examples. Now we will talk about used to past scenarios. I'm not talking about past those scenarios there we will use used to with the first form. That was the rule for past scenarios for activities. Now we will talking about आदी होना, आदत होना, लत लगना. So हम कैसे बोलेंगे इसको अगर हमें पास्ट में बोलना हो तो सपोज दैट यू वांट टू से वह उस काम का आदी था, then what will you make the sentence? So here I will tell you the rule. So the rule is subject plus was verb plus used to plus rest of other things. If there is any type of verb, any type of kriya is using in sentence, then you can easily put verb first form with ing. If there is no any verb in sentence, then you can direct put object or noun after used to. Okay, remember this rule. So वह उस काम का आदी था, then you can easily say that he was used to that work. If you are talking about वह उस काम को करने का आदी था, then you will say he was used to doing that work. Simple. Okay, you can make all the sentences according to this rule. So this is the simple rule. You can make negative sentences according this rule. You can make interrogative sentences according this rule, and you can make also interrogative negative sentences according to this type of rules. Okay, I will apply this scenario on myself. Suppose that I want to say before I start this speaking journey, I was used to learning English grammar. तो यहाँ मैंने कहा है कि यह स्पीकिंग जर्नी शुरू करने से पहले मुझे ग्रामर सीखने की आदत थी. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो क्रिएट दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस अकॉर्डिंग योर सिचुएशन. If you are talking about present, then you can easily use is, am, are according to person with ing. If you are talking about past, then you can easily use was, were with ing. So there is no any difficult in these formulas, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. And I wanna tell you one thing. If you will watch this video at least 2-3 times, then you can easily understand then what I will trying to say. So we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care, and please tell me my mistakes in comment box so that I can correct them and I can work on them. In the next video, I will come back with part 3, used to part 3. Okay.